welcome back to Dub Chinese. 我係你哋嘅老師 Gloria. Today we are going to learn a word in Cantonese. 而家 now. 我而家喺屋企。我而家喺屋企。屋企 home. 我而家喺屋企。I'm at home now. 我而家上緊課。我而家上緊課。上緊課 having class。上緊課 having class。我而家上緊課 I'm having class now。你而家得唔得閒啊？你而家得唔得閒啊？得閒 be free。你而家得唔得閒啊？ Are you available now？ 你而家得唔得閒啊？ That's what we learned today. Try to make some sentence with 而家。See you tomorrow. Bye bye.